Subscribe to Huawei Tech Tips and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vasi here, and today I am going to show you how you can enable fingerprint unlock on the Huawei Honor 8C. So let's begin the video. So here I have the Huawei Honor 8C. So as you can see, currently it has no locking system, and in order to enable the fingerprint unlock you have to go to settings. Here it is, settings. Then you're going to swipe down where it says security and fingerprint and press on it, and here it says fingerprint ID. Press on it, and on the top it says fingerprint management. Press on that, and it says that first I have to set a lock or a pin in order to enable fingerprint unlock. If in some case my finger is not working, then I'm going to use the numeric pin to unlock my phone. So let me just type a pin 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6. It's a 6-digit pin. You can type any pin that you can remember, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now here it says unlock device fingerprint is required to unlock it.
Okay, now it's saying that I have to place my finger on the back of the sensor. So here is the sensor. I'm just going to place my finger on the sensor. I'm not going to press it like this. So let me press on OK, and I'm going to gently place my finger, gently moving it forward and backward so that it can read it. And OK, so it has successfully added my finger, and here you can see it says fingerprint ID 1. I can add multiple fingerprints, and here it says some more options. Access safe, enable safe before associating your fingerprint, and also access app unlock. Enable apps unlock before associating your fingerprint, which means that you can use fingerprint unlock on some of your apps as well, like WhatsApp. So let me just lock it and let me open it, and it's going to ask for the pin. Now if I place my finger on the sensor, it's going to unlock it again. So let me show you the pin as well. The pin was 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it will unlock it as well. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and I have already made an unboxing video of this phone as well. If you want to watch that video, the link of the video will be in the description. And thank you for watching this video.